Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, you know what? My son bring me this new Oreo cookie and cream. Apparently this is a new one. So it's an Oreo cookie filled with cookie and cream inside the filling. So what I'm going to do with this today, guys, I am going to make a Oreo ice cream. Guys, it's the first I'm gonna do this one with the Oreo cookie, and I want you guys to try and make it. You know, it's Oreo cookie and I know it's supposed to be absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna make this tonight, you know, and so that you could see and you guys can probably try to do it for the kids or yourself. So guys, this is the new Oreo cookie. So for this I'm gonna use my whipping cream, which is 4.73 milliliters of cream this is. And then I'm gonna use a can of condensed milk, and I'm gonna use a tablespoon of vanilla in there, and then I'm gonna use like a half a piece of vanilla beans. I think I should show you guys the vanilla bean because it's Oreo and I like it. I want it to also have a little bit of vanilla taste. Is like a vanilla ice cream with Oreo cookie. So that's what I'm going to make today. And guys, all you need is like for me with this one, I have like a homemade, I have a home freezing thing, like a machine that you could put it in and spin it around and it would freeze at the same time. Or when you finish with it, when you finish make it, you could just put it in one of this baking can also and just put it in your freezer. But I am not going to use this. Okay, so I'm gonna get everything together and then I'll be right back at you. So I'm back. You're also going to need a electric mixer, okay? So because you need that to do whip the cream. So here is my glass bowl, and then I'm gonna pour my cream. I'm gonna pour my cream here. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. As I say, you need that vanilla flavor. 1 tablespoon of vanilla in there, and the vanilla bean. And then you're gonna whisk it. You're gonna whisk this now till it become nice, foamy, and thick. It's winter here in Canada, but not because it's cold you can't have a little ice cream. You can still have a little bit of ice cream same way, because you know the kids them love to enjoy stuff like that. No matter how cold it is, them want some ice cream. Or if you're in a warm climate back in Jamaica too, you know, or in anywhere in the Caribbean, you know. So you see I'm mixing this, it's becoming nice and foamy. Wow. Get it very thick. So I am going to continue mix this, and then when I finish mix it and become nice and foamy, I'm gonna come back and show you what it look like. Yeah, see, nice thick and foamy with whisker. Okay, there you go. Could see it a little better. So this is all of it, the whisking. So now, oh, I hope you guys can see it how it is. As I said, I use 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and I also use a vanilla bean. So I'm gonna show you the vanilla bean that I use. I use 1 strip of vanilla bean. Okay, and I'm gonna get my Oreo cookies now. Put some of them in a bag. See the cookie? Look how they're so thick and heavy with the cookie and cream in between. Just gonna put these in a bag, and I'm gonna break them up, and I got to leave some for some chunks too, eh? These are very thick, very heavy, big, like a mini ice cream bar. Okay, so this is this, and I'm gonna crush. Ooh, when broke up so wonderful. The cream is so thick. It's not like the other one. We don't have much cream inside of it, and we want that cream too, eh? So for this now, I am going to get 1 can of condensed milk. This is my condensed milk. Let's pour it in here. Then I'm gonna use this to mix it. I can mix it back with the mixer, but I'm just gonna fold it over with the spatula. It's a very simple, easy ice cream to make. Very simple, very simple. Don't take a lot of time. No more than 15 minutes, really. You know, not a lot of time really to make that. So after you're stirring that, then now we're going to put in our Oreos, the new cookie and cream Oreos. So we're gonna stir this inside of it and see. Oh, come on! Oh, as I said, there's so much cream in the new Oreo. Cookie and cream Oreos. Okay, so now let's stir this over. Ooh. Okay, so this is like a mini ice cream cooler, like a freezer for me that I use at home. So I'm gonna pour the ice cream into this, like turn it will froze, and then you guys can see what it is like. So just gonna pour it in here now. I'm kind of making a mess here that I'm gonna have to clean up when I'm done, you know. But this is the first I make this one, and I'm telling you, it's not freeze as yet, and I taste it, and you could taste the vanilla, the cookie, the cream in the cookie, and the cookie. Oh my God, it is absolutely delicious, and it's not frozen yet. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put the cover on it. Close it. Let's see. No, what am I messing up? Okay, there we go. So now we just spin this clockwise. 5 minutes here. So give it about 5 spin. Then you go back the other way with another 5 spin. Okay, so I'm gonna do this with it until it starts to freeze, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what the finished product look like. You can also put it in a baking pan and cover it with saran wrap and put it in the freezer and freeze overnight. You can also do it like that, but I'm gonna do it into this and let it get kind of freeze to show you guys the finished product. So guys, don't forget, to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. You understand? So I'll be back to show you the finished product. So guys, as you can see, I gave it a little time to freeze. I'm going to just take out some of the frozen part and have Cyan tried it for you and see how it is. Okay, you can give it a little bit more. Okay, get you a spoon.
Do you taste it now?
Yeah, taste it now.
Okay. It's nice. It's a nice flavor.
So it, as you could see guys, it frozen at the bottom here. I hope you could see it. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it in another container and put it in the freezer so it get a little bit harder. But I just used this one so that it could freeze a little, so that Miss Urban Side could taste it and let you guys know what it tastes like.
Yeah, it tastes like McFlurry.
Yes, it tastes like a McFlurry, eh? Honestly, it absolutely tastes like a McFlurry. So guys, as I said, I come to the end of the video now, you know, and I really want you guys to try and make this Supreme cookie and cream, Oreo cookie and cream, vanilla based ice cream, and it is very delicious and it's very easy to make. Just the cream, your condensed milk, some vanilla, and your mixer, and you have nice homemade ice cream. You don't even have to go to the store and buy it. You can just make it at home. Okay guys, so remember to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. And thank you very much guys, and I will see you in my next video.